If you're already using Trello, you don't need to start over. Download the JSON file from your Trello board in a few clicks. You can bring your existing board into Nectar in just a few clicks. Lists, cards, due dates, and checklists are brought over automatically. Your board structure comes across immediately. No rebuilding, no reorganizing. And because Nectar understands the board right away, AI Summary can immediately surface what's at risk and what needs attention. Instead of scanning lists, you can just ask. Nectar reviews the entire board in seconds and tells you exactly what needs attention, so you can focus on decisions, not digging for information. This is how teams stay ahead without adding complexity.